We all perform tasks and services. We also need diverse services on a daily basis. But there's no interconnected, reliable system that can help us utilize our time and expertise and connect efficiently. That's where Djobzy is coming into play. Djobzy is a short-term customized job and services platform that helps individuals and companies to recruit each other for any tasks with minimal long-term commitments, maximum flexibility, and the possibility to connect and negotiate to get the best deals on the services you need. Thejobsy has over 1,500 categories and industries, and the list is constantly growing. Whether you're an individual with any talents, expertise, or even if you only have extra time and want to make extra income, or you're a company in any industry, if you provide or need any services, you can create a web shop of your own services through Djobzy. Thejobsy.com/your username will become your own web shop that you can immediately sell your services without the need of a payment processing. We facilitate the payment for you and let you focus on what you do best. We will bring more awareness to your capabilities and services that you provide at no cost, and only when you generate income we will charge you a small percentage and use those funds to step up our services and bring more traffic and awareness to your account. Upon joining, you will get 2 profiles. An employee's profile where you can advertise your services, get employed, and get paid. Also, an employer's profile where you can find freelancers and gig workers who can help you with your tasks. Djobzy is a mixture of social media and gig economy. In less than 2 minutes, you can simply create an account for free and post a job in your own city or anywhere in the world to look for people who can help you with your specific tasks. Simply write what you want to get done and how much you're willing to spend, and other users will bid on your job. Similarly, you can look for jobs and tasks to do on the map around you and bid on the jobs and tasks you can perform. And if your bid is accepted, you will get the job immediately. You won't need to spend thousands of dollars to create a website and constantly maintain it. Your Djobzy account will do it all for you. Djobzy is trying to leverage technology to bring us humans closer together and offer a helping hand to one another. Join Djobzy today.